Guys, so here I am with another video. I am first going to use my First Base primer spray, which is by Limelight by Alcone, and I'm using now my Shinto 6 foundation. This is a wax-based foundation, botanical wax-based foundation, so it's meant to look like skin, where it's not going to cake up on your face or become very thick and yucky. It has 50% pigmentation, so the coverage is really, really great. You can either make this full coverage or less, really depending on how you like to wear it. You can also turn it into a BB cream by adding some oil to it to thin it out. So yeah, I'm just applying this to my face right now. As you can see, it's covering up those dark spots. And yeah, just buffing it in my skin. Next, I'm applying my concealer, and this is concealer number 5. This is also a wax-based concealer, which means, of course, it has 50% pigmentation, and the concealer is waterproof. There, I just showed our Liquid Perfect eyeliner pen, and yes, this is an eyeliner pen, and I'm actually using it to fill in my brows. This is a new technique that I just started doing, and I actually do love it. I'm now applying the Perfect Pressed Powder. It looks white, but actually it's clear. It has no color. So I'm going to apply that all over my face to set my face. Yes, put it all over the face. You need to make sure that foundation is laid in place. And then I'm going to use our bronzer. Now this is a nice warm bronzer. It doesn't have too much cool tones or warm tones, so it's perfect for majority skin tones. I'm not going to say all skin tones because sometimes it doesn't look so dark on me. There, I just applied blush in the color Alive because we're going for this soft, natural, everyday look. Now I'm using the Limelight by Alcone's Bare Metals palette, and this is a new palette that just came out. They're called shimmers, but I like to refer to them more as a pearly color. Like, as you can see, it doesn't have like a really harsh shimmer. I'll name the colors that I used in the description box, but I really like this because you can wear, the saying is that you don't wear shimmer all over your eyelid, but as you can see, these aren't like really, really shimmery. They're more, I feel like they have more of a pearly look to them. So you could definitely wear a full eye using this palette, and it'll look beautiful. It won't look like too much. So I'm just adding a little color on the outer edge to just deepen it a little bit, because we're not going for anything harsh. We're still sticking with the nice, soft, everyday natural look. Nothing too crazy. So now again, I'm using the Perfect Liner Pen to line my upper lash line and get that nice little wing. Nothing too crazy, just a little wing. Yep, yep. See? Cute, right? So now I'm just going to figure out what I'm putting on my lips. And at first, I had the notion that I was going to do a nice, soft, natural look to go along with this soft look. And I'm lining my lips with a brown liner. And then after that, I'm going to use like a semi peachy pink color. But then I decided that um, this lip was just not the lip for me today. And it wasn't even my first thought, but I went with it anyway. So here I'm actually going to use, this is a liquid matte lipstick in the color Angel's Food. Um, but later on, you see, I actually changed this color up because it was not working for me. Nope. It looks cute for a natural look, but no, we needed something else. We needed a little more boldness. Yeah. So here I'm just using 10 Year Younger setting spray. This is a finishing spray that creates a nice dewy look. And now I'm just adding the Perfect Mascara. This is a one-step fiber mascara that has fibers already in it, which helps create length and volume in your lashes. But I didn't go really crazy with beefing up my lashes today because y'all, seriously, like I was running late and I needed to be out the door probably like 10 minutes ago. And my hair and everything still wasn't even done. So I was trying to hurry up with this makeup look. But yeah, that's what we got. So we just added mascara. So I decided to go over the 10 Year Younger spray and use our mattifying spray. It's called Oil Strike, just to make sure I don't get too oily throughout the day. And boom, look at that lip. That's so much better. I had to change it. But I thank y'all so much for tuning in to my channel and taking the time out. Until my next video, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.